Hello, and welcome to our presentation called Measuring the Impact of an Academic Integrity e-learning module on students' perception of what constitutes academic dishonesty. My name is Alyssa Bigelow, and I'm an instructional design technologist in the Center for Teaching and Learning at Georgian College.
I'm Mary Spencer, and I am the coordinator for the Civil Engineering Technician Technology programs.
My name is Graham Cannon, and I'm a graduate of the Research Analyst program at Georgian College, who was brought on as a research analyst to help with this project.
My name is Kelly Fox. I'm faculty developer with the Center for Teaching and Learning.
In 2019, an academic integrity module was designed for first semester students to complete. The purpose of the module was to increase student understanding of what constitutes academic dishonesty. The goals of the module were to inform students and change student perceptions of academic integrity and dishonesty before they receive any infractions. It's now easier than ever to commit academic misconducts with classes being moved online and the internet being a fixture in our society.
So our hypothesis in starting this research was that the academic integrity module would increase student knowledge of academic integrity and an understanding of academic misconducts. We also propose that those who complete the academic integrity module will show more knowledge of academic integrity and understandings of what is a misconduct than those who have not. The methodology for this research project is to sample the incoming first semester students. These were separated into a control and an experimental group. So for the control group, they received the survey about 2 weeks ahead of needing to take the academic integrity module. They then completed the survey again immediately before completing the module. The experimental group completed the survey, then completed the module, and then completed the survey again.
According to the results of the survey, incoming students already have a strong level of knowledge about what constitutes academic dishonesty and academic misconduct. Certain behaviors were seen as more obviously as academic misconduct than others, such as pretending to be someone else and completing an exam on their behalf or copying someone's paper. Those levels had higher levels of base support than the other ones that may be considered more edge cases. The results of group one, those who completed the survey 2 weeks prior and then again immediately before completing the academic integrity module, showed an increase in knowledge of or thoughts on how dishonest a type of behavior would be. On this graph, only behaviors with a change of more than 5% are shown, but there are quite a few that showed a greater increase. This is because when students are thinking about academic integrity, their perception of behaviors is amplified. Those who completed the module first and then approximately 1 to 2 weeks later completed the second survey showed minor changes not matching the hypothesis and not even matching those who completed the survey twice beforehand. Only a few areas, which are shown here on this graph, have more than a 5% change from their base levels, further supporting the idea that students have high levels of understanding about academic integrity in general before starting and completing the module.
So the initial group, without intervention, already had, as Graham mentioned, a strong understanding of what academic dishonest behaviors are. So there was not a lot of room for improvement. So as such, the purpose of the academic integrity module appears to be more of a reinforcement tool rather than a persuasion or informing tool to students' pre-existing knowledge of academic misconduct. The academic integrity module can also change the early conversations around academic integrity for first semester students. The research also recognizes that academic integrity module alone will not prevent students from committing offenses. It is recommended that additional interventions may be required, and they can come along the line through the semester completion with students. The survey questions in the survey were grounded in basic cheating and plagiarism behaviors. So it is a question of the group or of the the researchers that there are many challenges with academic integrity around contract cheating and the normalization of file sharing. So an area of research that may be suggested would be to include more behaviors related to file sharing and contract cheating.
And these are just some of the sources we considered during the research process before conducting our own research. There are approximately 22 sources. If you are at all interested, feel free to check them out.
Thank you very much for listening and attending our presentation. And if you have any questions, we are willing to have anybody reach out to us at any time. Thank you very much.